I didn't choose working from home because it was easy. I chose it because I wanted to be present. Not perfect, just present. I wanted to stop rushing out the door every morning, stop missing my kids' milestones, and stop feeling like I had to choose between being a good mom or a good employee. Working from home gave me time for my kids and time for myself. Time to grow in ways I couldn't before. Some days were messy, some days were exhausting, but I stayed because this life made sense for our family.